Hi gentlemen, welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna show you a new software, inkflow. This inkflow have a lot of tools like AI powered UGC level content creation and marketing automation. For a review about something like Amazon, like you can import from website URL or description, instantly generate content from any source, and you can too work with AI powered content creation, generate high quality SEO optimized articles, blogs, and social media posts. AI content detection and paragraphing ensure originality and improve readability with smart AI tools. Auto-generate and complete marketing tasks. AI-powered automation for effortless content creative. You can use this tool for upvote, downvote assets for better output, fine-tune AI results for more relevant content. You can put in the link in description for more detail. Enjoy in your day.